Hi guys, welcome back, good people. That's last time I left you when you were doing homework, and as you can see now, we removed our homework, and this was our columns. This was our beam. You can see the arches that we have done. Very beautiful. You can see. This is just the kind of homework we did. I just give the design and drawing to my skilled workmen. I drew to them, and it has brought something like this. As you can see, it's very beautiful. We are not even near to the finishing point, but as you can see, what you're doing now, it's something that's very beautiful. So this now becomes our balcony, and for today we have done. I think you can go there. I want to show them what we did today. Today we build what we call wall masonry. So this is wall masonry for the specification of Garissa County because of weather conditions and climatic changes. We raise them to 1,000 millimeters, so that when we reach our ceiling height, it becomes at least a bit higher because of hot weather conditions. So this is our wall masonry for today. We removed our formwork. After removing the formwork, we did wall masonry that is 1,000 millimeters higher above our ring beam. So that is the process we are now. As you can see now, our house is becoming and showing something. It's now becoming a house that we were dreaming. We had a dream of making a house like this, and we are going towards. So after this, the next step is roofing now. The following step is roofing. As you can see, this is the platform. This is how do you call? This is the scaffolding where the workmen used to walk while working. So the workmanship was done above this platform or scaffold. So this is the sitting room. As you can see, very massive, well ventilated, well arranged, and you can also see that the other time I show you that we have a window here. This is an L window that is now placed in all the corners of this corner for this side. And the reason for this one is beautification of this house. Another reason is to provide sufficient light to this room, because now we are going to lack the light from the sunset. That's why we decided to put this large window here, because we don't have any other window. So this one becomes our sitting room. This is our sitting room. Now opposite to the sitting room, we have our dining. So this is our dining room. You can see it's opposite to the sitting room. And even according to the arrangement of this sitting room, as I put, we are going to put an 8-seater here, an 8-seater here. So that's why I've elongated it a bit to be longer than the space that was opposite to our dining room. So once someone is done with the dining room issues, just go to the sitting room, relax. This is where we are going to arrange our seats. Our seats will be here. Then this space, this wall, this is where we are going to put our TV stand and everything, so that the drawers, the TV stand, the fireplace, we are going to put them here, so that when you are done from the dining room, you can just come and relax and watch your television, which you are going to put in our next step. So as we move through our corridor, as you can see, we put this is an arch here for the closet. Now we have a closet here. We are having a closet here for our master room, and this one I showed you right away from the foundation. So we put an arch here for this closet, at least to show some beautification. We are now tomorrow we are finalizing on the following day. Now we are finalizing on the wall masonry, which was left because of the scope of work, and we have another closet here. This is the corridor that is taking us now to the bedrooms. We have bedroom 1, we have bedroom 2. So we have a corridor here. So for the old people going to the toilet, people going to the bedroom 1, people going to the bedroom 2, people going to the bathroom, we have a closet here where we are going, whereby we are going to put our glass here. You can come, even if you are not well dressed, you can see you are dressing here. We're going to put a window, we're going to put even shelves here where you can get even perfumes or whatever you want. So here comes our bedroom 1. Here comes our bedroom 1, which is which can accommodate 2 beds. It can accommodate 2 beds, a 4x6 beds. This is our bedroom 1, well ventilated, well arranged. This is the space for the wardrobe. We put it here. So this is where we are going to put the wardrobe, as you can see. So this is where our wardrobe is going to lie on. And then on the next we go, before we get into the bedroom 2, here we have our WC as well as our toilet. So this is our toilet. This is where we're going to have a common toilet, guest toilets. You know, anybody who is not to be able to access the master room will use this toilet or this bathroom. So I hope there we are together. We can now get into the bedroom 2. This is our bedroom 2. Yeah, it's also spacious enough to accommodate 2 beds, 4x6 beds. That is this is our bedroom 2, and we also put this is the place for our wardrobe. This is where we're going to put our wardrobe, and it's all measured at standard sizes of wardrobes and what's required in construction specification. So we can move. I'm trying to be a bit faster because we have more to show in our next videos. We can move. We didn't access our bedroom, master bedroom, so we are having our master bedroom here. So this is our master bedroom. This is our master bedroom. You can see the size of the window that I put here to make sure that the master bedroom receives maximum ventilation, maximum supply of air, maximum supply of fresh air. We are going to have vents in the whole masonry. We are going to have vents. So this is our master bedroom, very massive, a very big master bedroom that is just going to accommodate everything for the owner of the house. So this area is the area for our wardrobe. So this is where we are going to put our wardrobe. You can see I extended it a bit to carry our wardrobe. So this is the space for our wardrobe, and also we have this is the door that accesses. This is the door for what if you want now to get into the toilet. So this is the toilet for master bedroom only. So it means the owner of the house will not be able to move away from the master room to go get somewhere else, take bath, or even washroom issues. We already have this toilet here, as we are going to show you in the next steps as things carry on. So this is the master toilet, master bathroom, where the owner of the house is going to use. So as we can now go to our final room, which is the kitchen. So through this closet we move. So this is the door for our kitchen. If you want to get into the kitchen, so this is our kitchen. You can now get into the kitchen. As you can see, this is where we are going to put our worktop for the kitchen desk. This is where we are going to put our worktop here. This is the kitchen. And here at the kitchen I also provided serving window. We have serving window here, and this serving window I didn't just put there is a way that I see many friends of mine who are in the field of construction, that they put what do you call a foam. They put a foam here. After putting a foam here, they just build blocks upwards. So I don't advocate that, because we might risk any cracks, any failure. So I've just done concrete. So I've reinforced this place right away from a ring beam into the size that I designed and specified, that we did a reinforcement. After that we did concrete. So this is pure concrete. It means we will have no failure here in future, or in whichever the case. As we move now, we have our pantry. This is our kitchen pantry here. This is now where we are going to put the shelves, the store now, the shelves for the storage of food and any kitchen properties. After there, now we have the rear entry. This now, if you want to get outside from the rear porch or get inside, this is the door from the rear part of the kitchen porch. So as we come outside now, we have our kitchen porch. This is the porch. I don't like my columns and I don't like my porches to be just that way, to hang that way. I like putting beautiful arches like this. As you can see, it's not plastered, it's not done any finishing, but you can see the kind of beauty. Then you can even imagine in our next video what you're going to post if you just see this, what you have done. So our house, it means our house in future is going to be very beautiful, very interesting. Even our client will be very happy for this. So my friends, for today I would just like to say goodbye on this. For more information, you can reach us through 0768 730 282, and another my producer will tell you if there are links and more information details to get us. You can don't forget to share this video, like, and even comment, so that we need your criticism. We need you to criticize our work. For that, guys, today, that is the end of the day. Bye.